Got a cold. It's Rob of Rob's Cards. I have the Barry White voice, but this card is as smooth as Barry White and his voice. PSA 6, 1976 Walter Payton rookie card. If you collect football cards and you don't have this one, you must have this one. And this was one that I upgraded. I got an 8, bought a collection in the early 2000s, finally got this one graded in the last few months, came out with a nice 6, and it sold on eBay for 190 bucks. A must-have. Sweetness, died too young, 1985 Super Bowl, one of the greatest performances. Just an amazing player and an iconic card to have. One of probably the top 250 cards in the entire sports card collection industry. You must have this one. But sorry, you can't get this one. The PSA 6 has really nice corners. It's a little bit off center, which is the big problem, top to bottom. But you gotta love this card, and congratulations to the person that picked this up. Have fun. Check out some of the other videos, and we'll be talking to you soon with the next card that we sold.